Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about the setting photo on Google account. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. So after you have been moved on setting, just click on the search option and search for the photo. Okay, search for the photo. So here photos are scheme, but you have to select is this one, Google account personal information. Okay, when you click on it, you can select from here any account that you want to select. Suppose I select this one. Okay, I select this account, and then here is the for personal information. You can select from here the personal information if you want to select. This is my name, my contact number, everything on the down. You can check it like that. Okay, every information. This is the password. It says a secure password helps protect your Google account. You can change the language, input tools, accessibility, everything is here. Okay, about you. And this is the data and privacy, this is the security, this is the people data and privacy, and people and sharing payments, everything you can check from here. Okay, so your profile for info in Google services, basic info. Okay, so if you want to check your profile, you can check it, friends, because this is your photo. Okay, you can check it like that. But I have written photo, but it's about the photo, it doesn't came. So maybe it's, if you want to see the profiles, you can see it. Wait for a moment. So this is my profile, see. Okay, so now let's move on the if you want to check the contact information, you can check from here. Okay, this is the contact information, and this is the basic information. This is about photo, maybe because it is the basic information. So control what others see about you across Google services. See, you can control the what others can see your Google services. Add, edit or remove personal information. You can add, edit personal information as you wish. Okay, see, I can edit this one, just tap it. This one is the view and manage your profiles in Google services. You can view and manage your personal services. Get started with Google. So if you want to start it, just click on get started with Google. Okay, so this is about the photos, Google account and security. And friends, if you are confused that I select the photos but it doesn't come, it means a photo helps personals your account. This is the photo of the Google account, not that photo, that gallery or something about that, not like that. This is the photo of your that basic information that helps personal your account. It will be easy to personalize your account. If you have many accounts especially, it will be easier for you. And this is about the photo. Okay, it is very important, not only like that just profile. Okay, it's very important. So this is the set profile photo. You can set the selfie also. I just click on cancel. If you want to set, you can set it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching.